Welcome to Secondhand Bench. It's a channel about mechanical watches and how they work through experience and doing. Welcome to the journey. Mechanical watches are small, tiny, but fascinating machines. They wear out, they get neglected, they get gummed up. Most of the time they get thrown in a drawer or just thrown out. This channel is about taking the time to understand these machines, how they work, why they stop, and how to bring them back to life. I am not a master watchmaker. As of now, I have never worked on a mechanical watch before, just quartz movements. So this is our journey together. This channel is about learning, making mistakes, correcting those mistakes, and getting better one watch at a time. If you're interested in mechanical watches and my process, you're in the right spot. If you guys got to the end of this little mini commercial, do this guy a favor, subscribe. This is going to be a journey. Thanks for watching.